Party Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, over the years, looking at these videos, whenever, some kind of hit take place and then the CCTV footage get released, you always see some circus thing or some gimmicks thing 87s. You have to really wonder, right, where they come from. This time, however, this take the cake, and it might be literally. Imagine an 87, a group of 87 go up on the ups, and after them take the man life, them decide them go casually stick around, right, search this, search that, but then one of them I go full in belly. In the full video, it's too extreme, right? I'm gonna put it on Patreon, right? Some of you have probably seen it already, right? But the man they on the ground already and everything, but now them are going and take out things. But just the pan is Wanga got 87. You the middle of them criminal apps. And remember, you would think that they might try to get to ASAP, no? Look on the man them. Look on the man them like say somebody sending a shop and somebody tell them say they can't keep the change and buy what they want with it. This is right after them take the man life. The man up on the ground. And Wanga got 87 and full in belly and I casually walk out. In the clip, this is bizarre because for at least a minute, because the clip is a minute long, for at least a minute then they search the man and casually I walk back and forth like say, they don't do nothing wrong. Like say, when you go look for somebody, and just casually I walk back and forth and I say, oh, you fix up the place, man. I saw them go on. This is probably one of the most unusual videos I've ever seen. If you never watch it and see somebody depending on, you'd think of some customers just come in or they might drop off the goods, right? Like distribution truck. You'd see a distribution truck, the man them work for, just drop off things in. And one of them goes, oh, I feel peckish, let me eat some food. I can't believe it. This is bizarre. And as for the video, this shows you exactly how 87 is operating. Right. Like if you understand, so the man did have a license for you. I don't have no confirmation, but now in the full video, you see the man, him stand up by himself, right? And at first you look at you and say, oh, what gonna happen? You always see a man, right? Him stand up by himself and then out of nowhere just to an come around the corner and just like that the man life gone. Just like that, the 87 catch him completely off guard. But here's the thing, I mean understand. The man was by the door. Based on how quick him turn around, as him turn him back, the 87 just pop round. That means that the 87 was close by. When him not look through the door, he did not look on the man them. See, this is spooky. I wonder if him know the man them. Because him never turn around long enough for 87 come out of one car and run go to him. That brother was standing outside of the shop, out of the line of out of the side of the camera. Him stand up right there, so because based on how, right, the man stand up and look outside the whole time, and as him turn on him back, the hand come round. So then they out there. So either then they just linger and pretend like say, right, they might do something and just wait for the perfect opportunity, or him know them and him see them outside and oh, him think nothing of it, and then them now she say him turn him back and then take him life. See, here's the thing, licensed farm owners. I just tell them, say when it comes on 87s, your job is to not get catch off guard. Because remember, 87s don't want a shootout. If you need let off one round, all three of them gone. But just the one local moment him turning back, that's all them need. Now of course it is impossible to spend your whole life and look over your shoulder. I don't care who you are, there's going to be times when you just relax, especially if you're not bad in a nothing, or you're not expect nothing, or you're somebody that beef but that was 10 years ago, so you not look for nothing now. So I understand, nobody can look over them shoulder every single minute of every single day. But understand, say, no matter where you have upon you, if you not reach feet and let it off, it no count. Right. If you can get to it and challenge, it no count. It can't help you. Right. And 87 not coming for no fear fight. Him not say, alright, you pull your own, me pull mine, I'll make the best man win. Him not do that because him know say 99 out of 100 times him a go lose. So, you make a turn your back just for a minute. Not even a minute, just for a second. That's all you need. Oh, see him back turn there. Alright, gone. This video is bizarre. The man them start going to the place and take out food and eat and step over the man. People probably see the video still. Let me say, put it on Patreon. And a couple of them, a couple of the IG pages about the place have it about. That's Jamaica in 2021. And the fact that the man them had no sense of urgency. There's so much things about this video puzzle me. Right, the man them, the video was like a minute long. So them probably did it even longer. The man them, after letting off around and know, so this is going to cause attention. People probably call the police. The man them go in and out about 5 or 6 times. Man have time to go for food, come back out. Man take up food and go. Man all eat. Normally 87, as soon as the run let off, then gone. Them gone. This group of one go 87 is the man decided to, I take a box milk, you know. It look like a box milk, I can't tell for certain. Man say, I take a box milk and a bun or whatever it was, and I full my belly. This is probably the most bizarre one I've ever seen. I've seen many, right, where people lose them life, of course, but the action is normally run go off, take yourself. But this group of 87s that behave like say them work for the police, like them name seen a crime. Like them literally, right, I collect evidence and I study and I take pictures and I process them own a scene. The man roll over the man then, roll him back over here so they dig out him pocket them. We're living in some spooky times. And there are reports that these are the same group of 87s when they get caught, right, in the big incidents on Trafalgar Road. And in the video, I read the 3 man you see. Speaking about that incident on Trafalgar Road, the police are now reporting that the brother with them the things say gone already. Things say, alright, him lay down on the ground, him get too much rounds. Right. Call the man to come pick him up. Police are now saying the man gone. He was faking it. The man lied down on the ground. Right. Wait till one trucker pass, jump up, run go truck in the truck and gone about in business. Tell me Jamaica is not a Netflix series. Tell me Jamaica is not a Netflix, because they say no in Jamaica the movie just can't smooth. The movie yesterday, when the video, it was just too smooth. Right. Everything I said, but normally Jamaica Netflix show them have some kind of twist and turn. Well, see the twist and turn, 87 lie down the whole time. Them seriously in Japan. Man sit down there. See trucker come and jump and truck and gone. No. 87 jump up and gone and truck and gone. How fast a truck did I drive? What kind of, I wonder if an AMG make that truck there. I must one of them AMG Benz engine in that truck. One of them 4-liter twin turbo engine, or I wonder if a BMW M Division engine in that truck. So they couldn't catch it. So where the truck gone? The truck have wings? Or them never see when him jump in that truck? Because if you see when him jump in that truck, no truck can't go nowhere faster than a bike. Jamaica is a running Netflix series. People, I'm telling you, cut off on the Netflix, nobody waste no money on the Netflix. Just watch news. Watch news, because you can't make this up. The best directors, the best script writers can't come up with this. So they must say, they might try to use what they see in Jamaica and find the direction of the truck. Me just want to know how you can get into the truck, right, and you smell see me going in the truck, how no chase no go on. Right. Listen, I'm as confused as you are. When we read it, I have to double check about 10 times to make sure it's the right side me depend. Because I say maybe I want, it's a little prank page or a little troll. You have some page where deal with satire and anything around some little jokes. So I'm gonna look a real news site, I see communication man from police, I say, This is extraordinary. All the years me I buy DVD, all the years, remember back in the day you used to have to buy VHS and them sitting there, cassette, and you used to have to take out cassette and blow in a cassette. The minute you are blowing a cassette, all this time I waste my money. I waste money. I could have sit down and watch news. No show, nobody like Jamaica show. No show at all. Steven Spielberg only make up things to get views. Jamaican 87s, right? Jamaica police, Jamaica in general. We do it for real. Take that, Steven Spielberg. Take that, John Travolta. Take that, Nicolas Cage. Bunch of pretenders, faking it to get views. What we call show is what we call Tuesday evening in Jamaica. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.